Keep the first rational expression, change divide into multiply, and flip the second rational expression. Factor the parts that are factorable. Cancel the factors that are common to the numerator and the denominator. Here 30 and 6 are both divisible by 6. There are 5 sixes in 30 and 1 6 in 6. Take all that remain in the numerator and in the denominator.
So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below!